NCLT has asked the Ruiyas to clear dues first, leaves the door open to make room for Ruiya's plea. This after Standard Chartered alleged that ArcelorMittal's plan for Essar Steel is discriminatory. Appellate Tribunal to hear the case again today. Ishita Guha joins us with latest on that.
Absolutely, the race for Essar Steel continues, and there is once again a new twist and turn in the very case of Essar Steel. The NCLAT bench today told the Council of Essar that if Ruiyas want their offer to be considered for Essar Steel, they should first clear all the dues, not of just Essar Steel but of the entire Essar group. To quote what NCLAT told the Essar Council today, they said if you clear all your dues as per the Supreme Court order, which was pronounced in October last year, they will make room for Essar Steel and for the Ruiyas offer, which was to the tune of 54,389 crores. In fact, we know that NCLT Ahmedabad has already cleared ArcelorMittal's resolution plan, which is an ongoing case, and ArcelorMittal's resolution plan offered rupees 42,000 crores as upfront cash payment and another capital infusion of rupees 8,000 crores over the next few years. So lenders were more or less in consent and had voted in favor of ArcelorMittal's resolution plan with an overwhelming 92.4% vote. So after that, it went to NCLT Ahmedabad, where the case was obviously approved. Now the case is stuck at NCLAT, and Ruiyas, operational creditors and Standard Chartered Bank have sort of challenged the NCLT order on approval of ArcelorMittal's resolution plan. But NCLAT will hear more on this case at Delhi once again.